Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in my tested series. Today we have got another product from Kamisafe. It is a sweet telescoping selfie stick that also doubles as a tripod. It comes in a sweet carrying case. As you open it, the first thing is the adapter that holds your phone. It has a awesome carrying case, and don't forget, and one of my last favorite parts, this is rechargeable so that you've got your shutter attached so it's easier to keep it and not lose it, and rechargeable instead of replacing batteries all the time. All right, so let's walk through some features of this awesome little guy. First, you can have the tripod locked in place, or you can open it up so that it slides down. Nifty little sturdy base that we can put our stuff on. Notice that's going to be really slick. So for checking the features, you can see that that is a little rubber coated base that it sticks in. It's got the ability to change your zoom, take your photos. It's got an on-off switch. I've got my iPhone 6 Plus here, which is going to let us test another feature. You can see the phone attachment has the ability to be screwed on here and in the back. Let's see how easy it is to get the phone, which is a little bit larger, in. I always like to do these down on the table so that way there's less chance of dropping it. And then if we move to our tripod, this has got clicking locks. You can hear those to find the way that you want it. I'm going to lock mine like this, and I'm going to choose to attach it to this button. And then let me show you this from the side. It has got a thumb screw, so you don't have to go searching for a nickel, dime, or even a screwdriver. You can just simply hand tighten it just like that and get your phone secure the way you want in no time. The remote shutter is simple. You simply turn it on, and then let's go down to our Bluetooth choices. And it connects super simple. I'm gonna turn on Bluetooth because I had it off, and boom, it is connected just like you'd expect it to be. Let's back out and let's switch to camera mode. All right, friends, so let's switch this to video. And then I'm going to have a little bit of a different angle. Let's do a bit of a zoom. Switch the camera so you can see me over here. Change our adjustment so that it's at a different height. And now we can see that I'm recording with the phone up above and with the one on our tripod. All right, friends, so let's switch it to selfie stick mode. Make sure you've got your remote control side up, loosen the adjustment knob, and then spin that so it's going to hold your phone like this. And then also take your phone, and in the adapter, instead of attaching it to the back, make sure you attach it to the standing up one. I'm going to do this with it not folded because it's easier to hold on to it. And then when I've got it tightened in, once again, making sure I've got it aimed towards the little remote, then you can stand it up. And this is awesome. You can lock this in place so that it doesn't move anymore. You can extend it out as far as you need. You've got as much as 51 inches, and boom, you have got a sweet selfie stick that is totally adjustable so that you can work it. If you want a different angle, you just loosen it and get it to the exact angle that works for what you're trying to record. Last but not least, it also works as a beautiful portable tripod. If we simply open it up, lock those in place, loosen the legs, and then bring it out, you can set it up so you can have custom shots anywhere you want. And with the click of a button, drop into record mode or stop recording. Alrighty, friends, so this is an awesome tool. You can find it on Amazon for less than $25. I'm going to find so many uses for this in my classroom. I'm so excited that it is collapsible. It comes in a case. It is sturdy. It's got a place to store the AB remote. I am probably most excited about that just because of my ability to set things down and totally lose them. This way it keeps it locked in place and is so totally handy. If you found the video useful, friends, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.